Prep Test 71, game number 2, question 8 asks us if exactly 2 people are assigned to T, each of the following must be true except. So that means that 4 must be true. Whoops. Let me start writing that again. Sorry. 4 of these answer choices must be true, and 1 could be false. So we want to start with our limited options here and figure out where we could have exactly 2 people in T. And you'll notice right away that over here we have K assigned to T. K needs to be alone, so we can't have 2 there. This option's out. Thus, we must be looking at this option. And if we have exactly 2 in T, in order to follow this rule, we must have 3 in S. So that would give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, meaning we can only have 1 over in bin U. So we have our breakdown of spaces per category or spaces per column. And now let's figure out where everybody needs to go. So we've already placed K and G. Still to be placed are F, L, M, H, and I. We know that F and L have to go together. But if we placed them here in column T, it would mean that M, H, and I all had to go together in column S, and that would not be allowed according to this rule. Therefore, we must place F and L over here and put I with them so that H and M can be in a different bin than I. So this is the only possible setup, and let's go ahead and figure out what must be true and what could be false. Answer choice A, there's exactly 1 in R. That must be true. Answer choice B, there's exactly 1 in U. Also must be true. Answer choice C, F is in column T. That not only could be false, that must be false. Answer choice D, I is in S. We know that that must be true. And finally, L is in S, and we know that that must be true. So the answer to our question is our odd man out, C. The rest of these guys must be true.